Tens of thousands of city workers are set to walk off the job, not just here at City Hall, but across Toronto. And that could really transform the way our city functions over the next month. We're talking about public health workers, ambulance dispatchers, shelter staff, childcare workers, and recreational programming staff. That is especially important because the strike would begin on March 8th, just in time for March break.
No one wants to be here, but city workers have been pushed to the brink.
Union members say the fight really comes down to wages, with their salaries stagnating while other employees enjoyed healthy raises.
For years, city workers' wages fell behind the pace of inflation. Meanwhile, the city's top bureaucrats have been living in an entirely different reality.
CUPE Local 79's contract expired back in 2024, and they've been bargaining with the city since November. The union has now officially requested a no-board report, signaling that they're just not making any progress in their negotiations. Mayor Olivia Chow is urging them to remain at the bargaining table.
The negotiation continues, and the best deal, of course, is through negotiation.
As those negotiations play out in public, parents in Toronto are caught in the middle.
Having a daycare is a must.
If the workers go on strike or get locked out, community centers across the city would be shut down and daycares would be forced to close.
They definitely need to keep that open. They need to figure something out because parents need that.
On Thursday, the mayor offered her praise for the thousands of Local 79 workers who could collectively walk off the job in 17 days.
We appreciate you, we respect your work, we will do what we can. Let us continue to negotiate.
But the union says that appreciation isn't enough. The city needs to put its money where its mouth is.
This is a story of inequity. We live in a city that recognizes that our city manager should be the highest paid city manager in the province. But why then doesn't the city recognize its frontline workers, the nurses, the caseworkers, the personal support workers in the same way?
The city says it has contingency plans in place if the strike goes forward, but we don't have any details on what those plans are just yet. Brandon Choghri, City News.